Oh, hi,
Genesis.
Jen. You like your pool?
Chilling.
Alright, bitch.
Go ahead, baby. Do it. Swim. Swim, Jen.
You swimming?
She just sitting here. Come on, Jen. Let's go.
Come on, Jen. Swim. Swim, Jen. Swim. I'm getting all tongue-tied.
Come here, Jen. Let's go. The water's not that cold. I had to put some warm water in it for her. So she's straight. You like the water? Say water. The water.
Yay.
Somebody driving by in a moped. Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Yeah,
Jen.
everybody's all like, hey, I see your customer, but do I know you?
Jen, look. Look at me. Look at mommy. Right here. Hey.
Jen.
Say bye-bye.
Jen.
Bye-bye. One hand, Jen, not two hands.
Say bye.
Little fat thigh.